think that's an easy fix. So hey out there guys, so I went and got these new striker bolts here. Replace that. It's also missing a little rubber bumper down here, so it's number 2. I guess we have to go to the junkyard for that one, but now it closes tight. No more rattling. It doesn't pop open like it should though. But well, that'll work. So this is door number 2. Loose door panel. I think it should just need new clips. Go see if I can pick some of those up right now. Here's a striker bolt from this side. This side's a little loose too, so I got both of them. Here's the new one. That nylon bushing on there is gone, so screw this in. It takes 2 hands. Well, I tried putting it back in to the same spot that the old one was in, but it seems to be a little tighter now. Like, should keep it from rattling. So the next thing is this. Let's see what's going on here. Also, this switch isn't working, so maybe all that adds up. The light's working. This is one big switch, by the way, underneath here. So I'll take the door panel off later. Got to be very careful with some of this stuff. I can see it's cracked already up here. Look at this piece is cracked. Sucks. Little stuff, just plastic stuff, breaks real easy, so you gotta be very careful with it. Alright, I'm happy with that. I don't know if you can see the stains in there, but color's not bad. I think a little quick buffing would shine it up. The hood is turning white, and I'm just thinking that's probably just the clear. It's kind of cracked too, so maybe wet sand that or something. I'll have to talk to him. Also, this grill, got to figure out how to open the hood. The latch has been modified. You can't get your fingers in there. You can reach the top one, but I notice it's a bit different than the one I have, right? Or the one on my truck. Also, yeah, I think I'm gonna take that grill off and put the black one on, because I've got a black one too. Alright, I'm gonna try and make a quick video of this door panel here. You know, it does have screws on the bottom here, okay? Screw. Well, it's supposed to have screw. It doesn't have anything there. It's got this screw up here where it's cracking. That's not good. Screw in here. Gotta take the switch out. I'm gonna figure out what's wrong with this switch. It don't look like anything's wrong with it. Here's a common problem right here. This thing breaks. I'll have to look at that. But to take this door panel off, you need to take the switch apart here. Okay, it's got a plug, and the switch has 3 screws in it. There's 1, 2, and then you can unplug it, pull the wires through, right? Those little plastic clips, these little retainers here, if you pry something in here and pull them out, there's a chance you're going to break the panel. So you should have a tool like this or something to stick in there and pry them carefully. Like, see, there's one right there. See, they're already out, so what I'm doing is replacing them. There's one up here that's broken. That one I took out for a sample. We'll see what it looks like. Because the ones on my Bronco, my old Bronco, they're broken inside. This plastic is getting brittle, it's getting old, so I ended up just putting screws in to hold it. Don't look that pretty, but it was cheaper than buying a whole new door panel. They are available. Okay, so I got the door panel off, and Here's issues I've had with my Bronco, right? This window trim right here coming off. It clips on to the door panels. There's a little hole right here. Where's my finger at? Right there. It's supposed to clip in there. But as you can see, it's missing the whole piece right here. There's nothing to clip to. That's why it came off when I pulled the panel off. Dang it. Dang it. Yeah. So I'm going to put some of these new clips in. Like that one right there. There's that one there. One goes here. One goes right here. As you can see, there's one. There's two more on the other side over here. Where are we at? There we go. And see, there was one right here. This broke off. This is just like my Bronco. It broke off. Plastic's getting brittle, so we'll see what we can do to piece it back together. I am going to have to take this off again later. Unfortunately, change these speakers out, take the Pioneers. I got the Pioneer separates in my Bronco, and put those in here. I'm working on the switch though for the door locks. The door lock switch isn't working, so this is what it looks like once I got it all unplugged, okay? If you gotta look very carefully, there's a little red tab right there. This locks it into this piece right here. Yeah. So you just got to unclip that from the back side with something like a tiny screwdriver. And then as you can see, it's a well-made switch. It's copper. It's a rocker switch. See, rocker. Hear it clicking? It's not making contact. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. See if I don't, see if the parts don't go flying all over the place. Well, this is pretty interesting. I find this interesting. This is the inside of the switch. Look at that. Copper. It's like, wow. So the little rocker hits right here. See where the tip of the screwdriver is? Click, 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 click. Same thing on this one right here. Click, 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 click. So one's up, one's down. And the contacts, let's see, I don't know if you can see in there or not. The little contact in there. Probably dirty or something, I don't know. It's the only thing I can see in here. We'll clean those up and see what happens. Alright guys, I could not see nothing broken in here, but there are some contacts in there like open and close. At the door panel you got one hot wire. In other words, power going in and power going out. But you've got 5 connections here. See that? It's like, huh. So power goes in, but power's either got to go one of 2 different directions or reverse itself somehow for the switch to go right or left, right or left, right door, left door. Oh no, dum-dum. It's open or close. Open, close. Reverse polarity, I assume, is all this is doing. That's why it's got so many contacts on there. And this switch. So I cleaned all the contacts up. The one in the middle was really dirty. A little sandpaper, and hopefully that works because the spring mechanism and everything's working. I cleaned the inside contacts the best I could do. So that's neutral, and it goes up or open, close, open, close. We'll see. Alright, I got it back in, back together. Now see, it don't work. There it goes. There's lock. How about open? There we go. Open. So there's a bad connection somewhere. There's only 2 wires. Well, let's hope that does it. Alright, I think I got it. By Joe! Yeah. Put some new screws in, put those little plugs in so everything's a little tighter. Switch works. Unlock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock. This little rubber thing here on the top is a pain. It's the same on my other Broncos. I don't know. Or glue? Glue it? Glue hold this stupid thing on here? I tried some stuff right now, some like silicone stuff. All it did was make a mess. As you can see it under there. It's not gripping. So much for that. Next thing is this. What is going on here? See it? These switches, that switch there, this switch here work in combination. Very sophisticated wiring. I'll say confusing, but yeah. So you're supposed to have 12 volts back here all the time. And let's see, one of these keys rolls it up and down. So, hey, it went up. Alright, cool. And it goes down. What happened there? Up. Down. Why? All right. Let's see what's back here. Does the door open? Oh no! You dirty rabbit! It's not releasing on this side. Not to fear. Not to fear. I've been through this. All right. So I'm probably gonna have to pull the release mechanism out of here. That's this piece with these 3 bolts. Something's bent or something, because see how much the handle moves? But it don't do anything over here. I mean, you can see it moving right there. It's supposed to kick this thing over. This one goes to the right, and then see this rod here goes to the left. So there's another rod for this side underneath, right there. See that? See that? It's for that side. And this one here is for the right side, passenger side. But hey, what's going on here? Too much play. So the only way to do that is take these screws out and drop it down. So you gotta be careful popping these out right here. See the plastic things? Where are they at? Don't want to break those. There's a way, yeah, there's a way. I'll take those out. So let's see. Take that out, see what it looks like. Alright, there you have it. This is the handle, the lever off the handle here. Goes to here. This thing is supposed to be flat, you know, rolled over that way. See that? Should be able to just pound this back flat. Let's see. Hopefully nothing breaks. These are the little clips I was telling you about. See, they hook onto the rod, so you just gotta unhook them, and the rod shouldn't pull out. But since this thing was all bent, it wasn't gonna pull straight out, and that's why it's all mangled in there. Oh, let's see. Took it out, straightened it up, put it back together, and it still don't have enough pull to release the latch. Okay, when you close it, when you close the door, these lock. Yeah, they're made not to pop open. So when I pull the lever here, see that? Nothing. Kind of interesting because I can move them by hand. See like that? Right here, there's a rod. See the rod right there? Goes to the latch there, so it's got that much play in it before it does anything. There it goes. Man, it's a stretch. Why is it so hard? Oh well. It's always something new on these things, you know? There's always a little trick to everything, you know? Even though everything's hooked up, why don't it work? Okay, so I think I got it finally. So everything's got a little bend to it because you're pulling at different angles. You're pulling this way to pull these sideways, you know. And if they're bent, a little bit of bend ends up to a lot of play in there, so I think I got it. First of all, the rod that comes off this and goes through there has a bend in it. So as you, through the years you pull it, it starts to straighten out. It goes down and over, so it needs that little bit of bend in it because that is the play you got, you know, the travel there from there. If it straightens out, it gets longer, right? With a bend, it gets shorter, so I had to put a little more bend in it. And then this stuff in here, like I showed you earlier, was bent, and a little bend a little this way, bend a little that way, and I think I got it now. Now it feels good. I got it latched. Should be able to do this with a couple fingers, you know. Just like that. Holy Toledo, that took a few hours. Alright guys, what's really frustrating about all this plastic trim stuff with these little plugs, you know, you go to the auto parts store and they only got like 2 packages. This one came with 3 and this one came with 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I need 14 of these things. Oh, yeah, that's real frustrating. I've got some of the old ones saved, but it'd be nice if I could put on all new. I could go run around from auto parts to auto parts. Oh God, ridiculous. Hey, that box is useful, huh? If I put some new speakers in there, have them reconed or something, it works.